All right, what's up, guys? So, in today's video, I want to share with you how I made my first $100 online. This was the year 2021. That was last year. All right. Well, first off, a quick background story. I started off with learning graphics design. Right. So I'm a graphic designer. I started off with Canva. Right. Then I was getting quick jobs of that would I'll charge for about 500 to 1,000 naira, which was about $1 or $2. So it was it was nothing. But that was how I started, right? Because I realized it's all about value, okay, and people always compensate value. So if you have value, people always want to exchange with you, okay. So yeah, that was graphic design. I went from that to learning. I got a certification on digital marketing from Google. So I got certified with that, and well, that's how I started online marketing. Right. So I've gone on from that to learn. I learned Photoshop. I learned Illustrator. Right. I've also learned how to design websites. I work with WordPress like so much these days. Of course, for myself. So this is mostly freelance, so just building my own businesses, And so besides that, I've also learned how to run Facebook ads, email marketing, and some other stuff, right? And well, so one particular business niche we have come to realize that all this come together is affiliate marketing. All right, so affiliate marketing, I have the need to set up landing pages, websites, opt-in forms, build email lists, create offers, write copy, make designs, for creatives for my ads, my social media ads. Okay, so I mean, this is all encompassing. So sometime last year, okay, that was when I also launched my blog. Right, my blog is purpleblogprofits.com. That's my blog right now. So because of my YouTube channel and some other things that my hands are in right now, I'm not so much focused on this because the plan was to build it for my affiliate marketing business and then send traffic to it. All right. So when I convert, I get to keep my commissions. So I've gotten to that point where I've built it up to an extent where I can now work on the traffic. So that's what I'm doing right now. Okay. So if you want to start off with making money online, I would recommend you just start with getting a skill. All right. Get a skill. Your skill is the value you need to exchange. Now, you must not have a digital skill, of course, though. We are getting into Web 3.0, so it's very important that you do that. All right. But if you feel that the digital marketing space, the online space is not for you, although I feel that you should really explore it, because I have a friend who told me about how he helped a client, build her business, her physical business using Facebook ads. All right. So whatever things you do, you could always run ads on social media and then get people into your to message you. It could be on WhatsApp, it could be on Facebook Messenger, Facebook itself, on Twitter, and Instagram. All right. But the sole purpose of this is traffic. All right. So to make money online, whether using your skills, your products, your services, you need traffic. Okay. So the first thing you need to do is to get a skill. All right. So when you have gotten the skill, then you need a way to monetize it. All right. You could monetize by offering products and services directly. You could offer coaching or trainings. You could create a membership group where people get to learn what you do and then they pay you. You could create a course around what you do, so around your products, around your service, around your skill. All right. So now, if you want to learn a skill for free, all right, there are several things I could recommend to you. If you want to learn about Facebook ads, Facebook has this amazing platform. It's called Facebook Blueprint. So there you can learn all you need to learn about running Facebook ads. Okay, I suppose it's also going to contain Instagram, right? Perhaps even WhatsApp marketing. All right, so you get that. There is Coursera. I think there are some free courses, or they might all be free. On udemy.com, you would also find several free 1 hour, 2 hour courses, to check out. Plus the paid courses, most times on discounts, you could get them for as cheap as $10, like $10. So considering the effects, the ripple effects it will have on your future, the positive gigantic effects will have on your future, I think that it's a great stuff you should go for. So you check that out. So, well, my $100 was made on it's Shareasale. All right, so Shareasale. I used it was an offer to get leads. All right, and for each of the leads, I got paid about $10. All right, so that month I got about 10 leads. No, sorry, I got about 14 leads. Okay, so that was around $140. Okay, so I had to wait for some time, I think 30 days, after which I got paid. I got paid through Payoneer. Right, so directly to my account here in Nigeria. So you really could get paid online. You could make money online. But first of all, I would recommend you get a skill. Okay, so I've mentioned several platforms that you could do that. I've also mentioned that when you have gotten the skill, or you have a product or a service, you should start to monetize it. And to do that, you need to get traffic. Okay, so you should probably find someone that runs traffic ads, and or you could just learn it for yourself and do that for yourself. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.